Hello friends, now let us go through the simple example of class and again inheritance with polymorphism, we can say. So here the same method like add we are using in two different classes. From employee class, this department class has been derived. So our base class in this example is employee, and one method we have defined add, where we are going to perform addition of two numbers, that is a plus b, sum of 2. And in the second class, which has been derived from employee class, we have department class and same method, but we are going to perform addition of three numbers, so a plus b plus c. And now here we have created object, and then we have called the method emp.add, and here we have passed two arguments, that is considering base class definition a and b. So this is 10 and 20, say for example, and then we have created second object which is from the derived class, that is department, and same method, and here we have passed three arguments. So this is the simple concept where just this particular in this example I am illustrating how to define class, then how to derive. There is a single inheritance, so from this base class one derived class, just one, that is from employee department, and the method used add, and it is taking some another form, that is here it is with two operators, and here now it is with three operators. So let us see the execution. This is from first one, addition of two numbers, so here it is 10 plus 20, that is 30, and in second class it is 50 plus 130 plus 90, so it is coming out to be 270. Let me just change something here. I am making it say 50, and here I am making say 100. Okay, so here the sum will be 70, and here it is 150 plus 90, so that is 240. So in first case sum is 70, 50 plus 20, and in the second case 50 plus 100 plus 90, so it comes up to be 240. So understood? This is a simple small example where there is a single inheritance, class and object, and using polymorphism feature of inheritance in Python.